Hi, in this video we are going to have a look at the South American continent and its countries, starting with Argentina. Argentina is towards the south and it has boundaries with Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, Chile, and Brazil. In this area is where it has boundaries with the country Brazil. Argentina is the second largest country of South American continent. Uruguay. Uruguay has boundaries only with Brazil and Argentina. Uruguay and Argentina also have coast in the Atlantic Ocean. Paraguay is a landlocked country. This landlocked country has boundaries with Brazil, Bolivia, and Argentina. It is very important to note that it does not share a boundary with Uruguay. Now, Brazil, in terms of area, it is the largest country of South American continent, Brazil, and Brazil shares boundary with almost every country in South America. I said almost because there are two countries that do not share boundaries with Brazil. That is Chile. Chile does not share boundaries with Brazil, and Ecuador. Ecuador also does not share land boundary with Brazil. Towards the north of Brazil, we have this country French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, and Venezuela. Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, these were earlier the Guianan territories, which were ruled by British, Portuguese, Dutch, and the French. French Guiana is still an overseas territory of France, and it is quite famous as a conducive location for rocket launches because of the thrust this location provides. Then moving towards the western part of the continent, we have Colombia. Colombia, it has land boundaries with Panama over here. This the Central American part, but we are focusing only on the South American continent. Therefore, I have not highlighted those Central American countries. Then we have Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Bolivia is another landlocked country. It does not have any coast. And one more thing to note here is that Colombia and Chile, that is Chile and Colombia, they have coast both in the Atlantic as well as the Pacific Ocean. Chile has coast in the Pacific Ocean, and a small portion here also has, which is also belonging to Chile. Chile has boundaries in the has coast in the Pacific Ocean. Similarly, Colombia has coast in the Caribbean Sea, which is a part of the Atlantic Ocean, and over towards its western side, it has coast in the Pacific Ocean. This was all for this part of the series. In this, ha- uh, we have